Hello, in today's video, I will be talking about the tailwinds from the lower global oil prices and what is going to happen in the upcoming 10 years. So, respite for India may prove temporary, but the oil market's cyclical nature often reserves the gain swiftly. So, among currently what is happening, the global developments in the shaping India's interest. We have seen that the conflicts in the Gaza or Ukraine or the US tariff wars, we are at a very messy situation. So battle for the control over the global oil market, the struggle between the OPEC and the other oil producers with respect to the consumers gaining greater influence and with respect to critically determining how much India and the world's third world oil importers will be going. So that stands to the benefit. So what is the global importance of crude oil? So crude oil always remains the world's most valuable commodity, and over 100 million barrels per day produced globally, and nearly half of the volume traded across international markets. And almost $3 billion is the daily value of the global crude rate. Well, whopping high every time. So the global oil market, the technology and the demand and this shift is happening. So who are the technical drivers? So like shale oil extractions, the horizontal drifting, the deep sea explorations have actually expanded the production capacity. The demand side transformation, yes, the global demand peak is nearing its peak, and the strongest divergence between the regions like developing countries like moderate growth from the low consumption basis, and the developed countries, well, there's a stagnant fullest fuel demand for the weak post-COVID recovery, and the climate policies rise of the EVs are also happening. So there is a stagnant thing. So in 2025, oil demand is projected to grow around 1.3 million barrels per day with respect to only 10% of the growth from the OECD countries. Now China, world's largest oil importer, we can say they are playing the role in a different way, but they're at parallel they're also doing the EV research, and 50% of the new vehicle sales and the economic growth is also moderate. So surge in the supply, well, yes, so the production rose from 5.6 mbpd compared to the last year, which was contributed around 3.1 mpbd with respect to the post-COVID research area. So in the global oil market trends and outlook, if I say that the geopolitical compass is going relatively, it's facing the China-US tariff war, and we are getting well behind.